Hey, what's up, snipers? Stock Sniper Nick here, and tonight we're going to be going over the watch list for tomorrow morning, which is Wednesday, November 25th. We are almost at Thanksgiving. Let's go. Super grateful for the team, guys. There's actually been some of you guys who's been with us for over a year, and we actually kind of got to know you. Really grateful that you guys chose us to help you guys out in this journey. Big shout out to Sauce Boy, Jared Leone, Maddie J, Jonathan Rozo, Sniper Pete, for seeing some consistency and giving us those shout outs when you tag those bags on social media. So thanks, guys. We want to let you guys know we're grateful for you guys, as well as a whole bunch of the other snipers: Gene Mendez, Sniper Carey, Sniper Christina. So shout out, guys. Now, if you're new to the channel, the group that I'm referring to is our own personal sniper group, where we come in and we trade together every single day. That's on our website, thestocksnipers.com. However, right now we are going through some huge updates, and there's actually some really big things coming. We did not expect for the site to be down to start this week, and now carrying on into towards the end of this week. The goal is to try to get it back up before Thanksgiving. We at least want to get through Power Hour with you guys tomorrow. That would be ideal, because it would just be messed up. We're too grateful to have you guys, and it would be messed up if we're not with you guys for a little bit on Thanksgiving. So we're working on that, Sniper team. Everybody who's on the website, we are working on that. For the time being, check social media to keep up with our buys and sells and to keep up with the Sniper Scope at 3. For everyone who is new or anybody who's not a member, this gives you a little bit of a chance to check out what we do. We update a list at 3 o'clock every single day with 5 new sniper stocks, and we usually buy one of the 5. Tonight, the first stock that we're going to talk about on the list is actually TSNP. It was a stock that was on the Sniper Scope where we bought in Power Hour, and we are actually up $500 now on this stock with a pretty small investment. So that's why we love these stocks. That's why we get so excited about them. Honestly, it hurts my heart that we weren't with the group today, because it was an exciting day. There's a lot to talk about. I'm going to make sure we cover every single little detail for the team since we weren't with you guys. Starting with TSNP, the stock that we're in overnight, and we're currently up $500. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Like I said before, we're going to start off with TSNP, which is the stock you're looking at over here to the right. I mean, look at this amazing run up here. And when we got in right here at 2.8, this thing ended up getting a very nice push. So let's talk about why we got in, and let's talk about our plan for tomorrow, what we're looking to sell this bag. So TSNP is an OTC first green day with news that we bought in Power Hour 0.0281, looking for a gap up and a push to sell into tomorrow. TSNP has showed that it has legs, as in 5 trading days, this stock went all the way from the sub pennies to touch 0.036. So it shows that it actually could run. Now zooming into today, TSNP came out with news in the morning, which started its run up. As you can see, it got a pop, it consolidated a little bit, then got a pop again. Now when it popped here, it showed that this thing could have potential to give us a run later. So we really kept an eye on it when this thing got a run here, but we wanted to see some consolidation. And bam, look what happens from 1 all the way till Power Hour, 3 o'clock. This thing consolidates and makes some support at the 2.666 area. All right, so now it's lining up with a sniper stock, and now it's not only one of our patterns, it's also lining up with some things off the sniper checklist. So we were zoning in. Shout out to the snipers who are hitting us up, talking about this one through social media. And check this out, guys. We wanted to wait towards the middle of Power Hour to see how this thing will form. And, you know, it still was holding that 2.6 support, and then come up at 3.30, right before 3.30. We decided to buy it because we saw bids start to stack up over 2.8 again. Right when we bought it, this thing actually got a nice volume push. It spiked to top out at 3. After that, it created some more support at 2.95. So that's a great sign for us, snipers, for you guys who joined us. That's a great sign as far as a spot to cut or to risk off of. And after it held that spot, it ended up pushing, making a new high. And this is a very bullish sign. Now the odds are in our favor that this thing will gap up. Okay, so for tomorrow, we are looking for that gap up and a push to sell into. Now look at the next long-term resistance. It's the 52-week high. So if we could gap up around that, we could see a really nice push, okay? We'll keep an eye on that. Now, if it does not gap up, we'll go ahead and we'll take the money. We're up. We're actually up $500 right now. So we'll take the bag and secure it. You know, this was a 30-minute trade so far. So let's see what can happen tomorrow with TSNP. All right, next, guys, we have a big group here. All right, I want you guys to write down each one of these ones, and I want you guys to monitor each one of these ones, because this week these stocks have been extremely volatile. There's been a lot of hype into the market, which has brought some attention into these mini OTC stocks. And as you can see, the small cap stocks in listed land have been popping like crazy. So, as sympathies, we got to all of them kind of resemble each other. Look how wild this one day chart is. But let me go into the 1 year, 1 day and show you. Each one of these stocks have had crazy runs.